Ever struggled with a stubborn screw, dull blade, or a tool that just won't do its job? What if I told you there are game-changing gadgets that make every task effortless? From high-tech measuring tools to powerful problem solvers, these cool tools and gadgets will blow your mind. Stay till the end. You won't believe number 1. Let's dive in. Imagine having the power of a storm on your back. Leaves, dust, and debris don't stand a chance against this beast of a blower. Introducing the Greenworks 80-volt dual-port backpack blower, designed for those who refuse to settle for slow, weak, or outdated tools. Ready to unleash next-level power? Let's dive in. Moves leaves and debris like a hurricane. Uninterrupted power for extended use. No waiting around. Get back to work fast, comfortable, balanced, and easy to handle. Whether you're tackling a massive yard or a big cleanup job, this powerhouse will make it effortless. Don't take my word for it. See it in action. Link in the description. What if I told you there's a tool that can make cutting wood feel like slicing through butter? Say hello to the AGAWA Boreal 21 folding bow saw, a game changer for outdoor lovers, survivalists, and DIYers. Unfolds in seconds, ready to cut. Effortlessly saw through thick logs. Packs small, but works like a beast. Tough, durable, and adventure ready. Whether you're out camping, building, or prepping for emergencies, this is the ultimate tool you need. Link in the description. Grab yours now. Ever struggled with a dull knife or tool when you needed it most? Say goodbye to frustration and hello to razor-sharp precision with the WorkSharp MK2. Professional knife and tool. Sharpener adjustable angles for perfect edges every time. Sharpens kitchen knives, outdoor blades, scissors, and tools. Uses flexible belts to mimic professional sharpening techniques. Get razor-sharp results in minutes with minimal effort. Built for long-term performance and precision sharpening. Don't let dull blades slow you down. Upgrade your sharpening game today. Link in the description. Tired of switching between multiple tools for your DIY and repair projects? The WORKPRO 6-in-1 Staple Gun is here to make your life easier. Whether you're working on furniture upholstery, home repairs, or carpentry, this versatile heavy-duty nailer has got you covered. Compatible with T50, JT21, T20, Brad nails, PIN, and U-type staples. Strong, sturdy, and built to last easy squeeze handle. Less effort, more power for extended projects. No more frustrating delays. Start working right out of the box. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, carpenter, or home improvement pro, the WORKPRO Staple Gun is the only tool you'll need. Grab yours now. Link in the description. When you're out in the wild, every second counts. What if you could start a fire with just one hand, even in the harshest conditions? Start a fire instantly, even when one hand is occupied. Smaller than your thumb, yet powerful enough to ignite a fire in seconds. Works even in wet or windy conditions. Holds quick-light tinder and up to 5 replacement flints, keeping them dry and ready to use. Whether you're an outdoor adventurer, camper, or survivalist, the exotac nanospark is the ultimate fire-starting tool you can always count on. Don't get caught in the cold. Grab yours today. Link in the description. Tired of spending hours tying up vines and plants? What if you could do it in seconds with a single click? Say hello to the SWANSOFT plant tying machine, your new gardening best friend. Secure vines, flowers and plants in just one squeeze. No more hand fatigue. Perfect for long gardening sessions. Built to handle all your gardening needs season after season. Spend less time tying and more time enjoying your garden. Link in the description. Make gardening easier today. Imagine a tape measure that does the thinking for you. No more struggling with numbers. No more misreading tiny lines. Just instant, precise measurements at your fingertips. Whether you're a DIYer, a professional, or just someone who loves smart tools, this digital tape measure is about to change the way you work. No more guessing. See precise measurements instantly. Saves your last measurements so you never lose track. Switch between inches, feet, and metric effortlessly. Designed for any job, indoors or outdoors. Easy to carry, fits right in your pocket. Whether you're renovating or crafting, this is a game changer. Link in the description. Upgrade your measuring game today. You're deep into your work, tiling a floor, fixing a car, or working construction, when suddenly that sharp knee pain kicks in. What if you could work for hours without discomfort? Meet the no-cry professional gel knee pads, designed to keep your knees protected, cushioned, and pain-free. Soft foam and gel cushioning for all-day support. Tough outer cap shields your knees on any surface. Reinforced adjustable straps keep them in place, no slipping. Military-grade rivets ensure long-term durability. Built-in hang loops for easy organization. Link in the description. Protect your knees like a pro. Imagine this. You're working on a project, switching between drilling and driving screws, but the constant bit changes slow you down. What if you could do both in one seamless motion? That's where the Kreg KDRV-FLIP Quick Flip comes in. No more stopping to change bits. Just flip and go. Designed for Kreg screws and other fasteners. Tough enough for big jobs, small enough for your tool belt. Work faster and more efficiently, cutting your project time in half. Works with any standard drill, making it a must-have in any toolbox. Whether you're building furniture, repairing your home, or crafting something amazing, this tool makes every job smoother and faster. Click the link in the description and take your DIY skills to the next level. Ever struggled with a stuck pipe, a stubborn jar lid, or a delicate surface you don't want to scratch? Meet the RIDGID 31360 Model 5 Strap Wrench, the tool that gives you a powerful grip without damage. Perfect for gripping pipes, filters, and irregular shapes. Durable rubber strap provides a secure hold without scratching. Ideal for plumbing, automotive, and even opening tight lids. RIDGID's signature strength ensures long-lasting performance. No slip grip for effortless tightening and loosening. Whether you're a plumber, mechanic, or DIY enthusiast, this strap wrench is a must-have for your toolbox. Click the link in the description to grab yours now. Majin struggling to lift your riding lawnmower for maintenance. Frustrating, right? Say goodbye to that hassle with the MoJack MJ750XT, the game-changing lift designed for lawn tractors, ZTR mowers, ATVs, and even motorcycles. Whether you're sharpening blades, changing oil, or performing repairs, this tool makes the job effortless, safe, and efficient. Easily lifts even the heaviest equipment. Fits various mower models, ATVs, and motorcycles. Built tough with a sturdy frame for maximum safety. Use a hand crank or power drill to lift in seconds. Ideal for maintenance and repairs. Blade sharpening, deck cleaning, belt replacement, oil changes, and more. Stop struggling with awkward jacks and risky DIY setups. Upgrade to the MoJack MJ750XT and make maintenance a breeze. Link in the description. Check it out now. Link. Tired of dealing with tangled cords and bulky air compressors? The Chemo 18-gauge cordless nail gun is here to revolutionize your DIY and professional projects. Effortless nailing, anywhere, anytime. Runs on two X2.0 amp-hour rechargeable batteries for ultimate mobility. Works as both a brad nailer and stapler for versatile use. Getting the job done in record time. Customize penetration for different materials. Switch between single shot and rapid fire mode for precision and speed. Whether you're a DIYer, carpenter, or contractor, the Chemo cordless nail gun is a must-have tool for smooth, efficient, and hassle-free nailing. Grab yours now. Link in the description. Blast off. Need a tough, reliable knife for your roofing, carpet, or construction projects? This fixed-blade utility knife is built for precision, durability, and efficiency. Perfect for cutting, marking, and scoring. Crafted for tough materials like roofing, carpet, and drywall. Always stay sharp and ready for action. Keep it secure and easily accessible at all times. Designed for comfort and control during long hours of work. Whether you're a roofer, contractor, or DIY enthusiast, this fixed-blade utility knife is your go-to cutting tool. Get yours now. Link in the description. Tired of inaccurate markings and uneven cuts? The Secker multifunction scribing tool is a must-have for every woodworker, carpenter, and DIY enthusiast. Works as a scribing tool, deep hole pencil, and measuring gauge. Durable, lightweight, and built to last. Whether you're working on wood, metal, or tiles, this tool delivers precision at tight spaces and mark accurately every time. Upgrade your toolbox today. Link in the description. Imagine this. You're on the job, trying to remove stubborn nails and shingles without causing damage. Frustrating, right? That's where the CLAWVERINE 15-inch premium Pry Bar comes in. Your all-in-one solution for precision and power. Grip and remove nails from any angle with ease. Get deep-set nails out without breaking the material. Say goodbye to ruined shingles, step flashing, or walls. Tough steel construction for maximum durability. Ideal for roofing, carpentry, and demolition. Stop struggling with old tools. Upgrade to the CLAWVERINE now. Link in the description. Tired of back-breaking soil preparation? Meet the SunJoe 13.5 amp electric tiller, your ultimate tool for effortless gardening. Whether you're prepping your vegetable patch, flower beds, or lawn, this 16-inch powerhouse will break through tough soil with ease. Digs deep for perfectly aerated soil. Covers more ground in less time. Sharp, strong, and built for max efficiency. Say goodbye to heavy, gas-powered machines. No gas, no fumes, just clean energy. Make gardening easier, faster, and more enjoyable with the SunJoe electric tiller. Check the link in the description to grab yours today. Stripped, rusted, or broken screws, ruining your work. Stop struggling and get the damaged screw extractor set. The tool every DIYer, handyman, and professional needs. Easily extract stripped, rusted, or damaged screws in seconds. Works 10 times faster than manual methods, saving you time and frustration. Made of hardened steel, perfect for wood, plastic, and metal screws. Works with any drill, just attach and extract. Looking for the perfect Valentine's Day gift for him? Whether he's a DIY enthusiast, a handyman, or just loves fixing things, this is a game changer. Get yours today and never struggle with stuck screws again. Link in the description.